Incarcerated General Secretary of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Molvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, has urged the G20 countries to boycott its upcoming event being hosted by India in Srinagar. Molvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Kashmir is not a part of India, rather it is a disputed territory which India has forcibly occupied in 1947. Speakers of Ittihad-e-Millat Conference have said that the hostile elements are trying to divide the unity of Muslims in the disputed territory for their nefarious purposes. According to Kashmir Media Service, the conference held in Jammu was organized by the chairman of the United Peace Alliance, Mir Shahid Salim. Authorities have disallowed Jumatul Wida congregational prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid in Srinagar today. The Anjuman Awqaf of the Jamia Masjid, in a statement in Srinagar, said district magistrate and police officials visited the Jamia Masjid at 9:30 am and asked the management to lock the gates of the masjid, as administration had decided that Jumatul Wida prayers will not be allowed at the masjid. Kashmir Peace Forum International UK, an organization of the Kashmiri Pandits, has condemned the banning of the Friday prayers at the Jamia Masjid in Srinagar in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Forum chairman Satish Mahaldar, in a statement, condemned the restriction of Friday congregational prayers at the historical mosque and said the prohibition of prayers is highly unjustified. Nationalist Congress Party has accused the Bharatiya Janata Party for attempting to erase the name of India's first education minister and Bharat Ratna Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad from history because he was a Muslim. The NCP spokesperson said the BJP-led government at the center is using the National Council of Educational Research and Training to wipe out Maulana Azad's identity and his glorious contributions from India's education system. India has recorded 11,109 new coronavirus infections, the highest in the last 236 days, while the active cases increased to 49,622 according to the Indian Health Ministry.